Joint pain is something that many people experience, particularly in areas like the knees, elbows, and hands. While some people relate this pain to aging and assume it's just a normal part of getting older, it's important to understand that pain is a signal from the body that something is wrong. Pain often causes stress in the body, and when left untreated, it can lead to more serious problems, especially when it involves the knees. Untreated knee pain, for example, can not only cause discomfort, but also lead to long-term damage, such as knee misalignment or even permanent joint degradation. But did you know that joint pain, particularly knee pain, can often be caused by more than just aging or overuse? In fact, knee pain can arise from a variety of factors, including excessive use, weak bone density, and wear and tear of the muscles, ligaments, and tissues that surround the joints. Vitamin deficiencies, especially a lack of calcium, vitamin D, and iron, are also common, though often overlooked, causes of knee pain. If your body is lacking vitamin D and calcium, you may be at a higher risk for conditions such as arthritis and joint inflammation, both of which can contribute to painful and stiff knees. While many people may experience this type of discomfort in silence, not seeking the proper treatment, what they don't realize is that there are effective and natural remedies that can provide much needed relief. In fact, within just a few days of incorporating some of these natural treatments, people often experience significant pain relief and improved mobility. Today, we'll talk about the causes of joint pain and knee pain, how to prevent them, and how to relieve them using natural remedies that can make a world of difference. When should you seek medical attention? While occasional knee pain or joint discomfort may be linked to overuse or strain, it's important to recognize when pain may indicate a more serious issue. If knee pain or joint pain persists for more than a week and doesn't improve with rest or over-the-counter remedies, it's essential to seek medical attention. A healthcare provider can help determine if there are any underlying issues such as arthritis, ligament damage, or other joint-related conditions. Prompt treatment is key to preventing more severe joint problems down the road. The importance of proper nutrition. Preventing and relieving knee pain goes beyond just exercises and physical therapies. A diet rich in essential vitamins and minerals plays a significant role in maintaining healthy joints. If your body is deficient in key nutrients, it can lead to muscle weakness, bone density loss, and inflammation, all of which contribute to joint pain. A diet that includes adequate levels of calcium, vitamin D, magnesium, and anti-inflammatory nutrients is essential for supporting healthy joints. A natural remedy to relieve knee and joint pain. While some people may resort to painkillers or other pharmaceuticals to manage their joint discomfort, many don't realize that they can achieve significant relief through simple, natural ingredients. One highly effective and tasty remedy is a smoothie made with cinnamon, pineapple, and orange juice. This smoothie is loaded with anti-inflammatory properties that help reduce swelling and relieve pain, particularly in the knees and other joints. Let's break down how each ingredient helps to relieve joint pain. Pineapple. Pineapple is not only delicious but also packed with health benefits. One of the key nutrients found in pineapple is bromelain, an enzyme known for its anti-inflammatory properties. Bromelain helps to reduce swelling, relieve pain, and promote healing in the body. Additionally, pineapple contains a significant amount of vitamin C, which is crucial for the health of bones, ligaments, and tendons. Cinnamon. Cinnamon is often praised for its ability to help with blood circulation. It has warming properties that stimulate blood flow, helping to bring more nutrients and oxygen to the affected joints. Proper blood circulation is essential for keeping your joints and muscles healthy, and cinnamon can play an important role in improving circulation. Orange juice. The vitamin C found in orange juice not only boosts the immune system but also helps strengthen the body's ligaments and tendons. This is crucial for anyone experiencing joint pain because strong tendons and ligaments provide stability and support to the joints. Oats. Oats are rich in fiber, which can help to reduce inflammation and promote overall health. They also support joint health by providing the body with a steady supply of nutrients that aid in reducing oxidative stress, a major contributor to joint pain and inflammation. Honey. Raw honey is known for its natural healing properties. It has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory effects that can help soothe sore joints. Honey also adds a natural sweetness to the smoothie, making it not only healthy but also delicious. How to make this anti-inflammatory smoothie. This smoothie is simple to prepare, and once you try it, you'll likely want to make it a part of your daily routine. Here's the recipe. Ingredients: 2 small cups of diced pineapple, 1 cup of rolled oats, 2 cups of water, 1 glass of fresh orange juice, 1 cinnamon stick, or 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1 tablespoon of raw natural honey. Instructions: begin by adding the water and oats to a pot. Allow the oats to cook for a few minutes until soft and well cooked. This will help to create a smooth and creamy texture for your smoothie. Once the oats are cooked, allow them to cool down for a few minutes. Once the oats have cooled, place the cooked oats, orange juice, diced pineapple, cinnamon stick, or ground cinnamon, and honey into a blender. Blend all ingredients until smooth. If you prefer a thinner consistency, you can add extra water to the mixture to get it to your desired thickness. Once blended, pour into a glass, and enjoy. For best results, it's recommended to drink this smoothie daily. If you consistently drink this smoothie for 5 days, you should begin to feel relief from knee and joint pain. The combination of anti-inflammatory properties and nutrients in this drink can help restore mobility and reduce discomfort in just a short period of time. Conclusion: joint and knee pain can be debilitating, but with the right approach, it is entirely possible to manage and relieve the discomfort naturally. Incorporating a diet high in vitamins and anti-inflammatory foods, as well as consuming natural remedies like the pineapple, cinnamon, and orange juice smoothie, can make a world of difference for those suffering from joint pain. This remedy offers not only relief but also a delicious way to support your body's healing process. Give this recipe a try, and make sure to let us know how you feel after incorporating this smoothie into your routine. Did you experience relief from your knee or joint pain? How did the smoothie taste? Share your thoughts with us in the comments section below. We love hearing from you.